In this video, we are discussing about the inverse of a function. See the definition of inverse of a function. F is mapping from A to B. F is mapping from A to B is a function. If F is said to be invertible function, if there exists G is mapping from B to A. G is mapping from B to A such that F circle G is equals to IB and G circle F is equals to IB, then F is called G is called inverse of F. G is called inverse of F. Inverse of F. Denoted by G is equal to F inverse. This is the definition of inverse function. What is that? You see again. F is mapping from A to B. Function is said to be invertible function if there exists G from B to A such that F circle G is equals to IA, IB and G circle F is equals to IB. G is called inverse of the function F. Therefore, G is equal to F inverse. This is the definition of inverse of the function. Just you have to remember this one. For finding the given function, inverse of the function of given, how we are finding is see, just now we are proving F circle G is equals to IB and G circle F is equals to IB. Then, what is the F inverse? F inverse is the nothing but G. F inverse is equals to G. So, this is the process. In 5 marks question, very important. Every year they are asking from this inverse function only. They are giving one function, find the inverse of the function f. So like that they are giving. So just we have to assume, for example, f of x is equals to ax plus b, that will be given. How we are finding inverse of the function f, you see. Just here you do some rough work. What I mean, let f of x is equals to y. From this, x is equals to what? F inverse of y. X is equals to f inverse of y. Then f of x, what is the f of x? Ax plus b is equals to y. From this, ax is equals to y minus b. X is equals to y minus b by a. This is 1, this is 2. From 1 and 2, what we are getting is f inverse of y is equals to y minus b by a. Now, f inverse of x is equals to x minus b by a. F inverse of y is f inverse of x. So, this one now we are assuming as let g of x is equals to x minus b by a. Like this we are assuming. Next to g circle f of x, f circle g of x we are finding. These definitely are getting identity functions only. This is IA, this is IB we are getting. IA of x, IB of x. Therefore, f is invertible function. F inverse is equals to g, f inverse of x equal to g of x. Nothing but this is x minus b by a. We are right. So this is the process to find inverse of the function. You see some questions, so after that you will understand easily. Now 23 example onwards, so we are solving now. Example 23. Question number 23. F is mapping from a to y. F of x is equals to, let f is mapping from a to b, n to y be a function defined as f of x equal to 4x plus 3, where y is equals to, capital Y is equals to set of y belongs to n such that y equal to 4x plus 3 for some x belongs to n. show that f is invertible, find the inverse. This is the question. Simple problem. See what we are assuming here. Let G is mapping from y to n. G is mapping from f is mapping from n to y. G is mapping from y to n. Domain what why I am writing like this, you see. Just I am assuming some g of x is equals to something. Next I am doing g circle is equals to I a and that means here I n. If circle g is equals to I y I am doing. Then f is the inverse of the function. F is invertible function. If inverse of x is equal to g of x is writing. Here y here you see f is mapping from n to y. Then definitely g is mapping from y to n only. Then the inverse of the function is exist. F is mapping from a to b. The f inverse is mapping from b to a only. So that I am assuming g is mapping from y to n. Next, what is the g of x? And let g of x is equals to what we are assuming. G of x is equals to how already I explained before by the definition of the f inverse of x. So f of x is equals to 4x plus 3 is there. So f of x is equals to take as y. So y is equal to 4x plus 3. Then you write x as a subject. That means y minus 3 is equal to 4x. X is equals to y minus 3 by 4. Here f of x is equals to y means x is equals to what? F inverse of y. X is equals to f inverse of y. So this is you take as equation number 1. This is you take as equation number 2. From 1 and 2, f inverse of y is equals to y minus 3 by 4. Otherwise, you write it as like this only. G of y is equals to y minus 3 by 4. This one you take as f of x. This function you take as g of x. So here y in terms of y we got. So in terms of y we will write. From this, if we replace y by x, what we are getting? X minus 3 by 4 we are getting. Right? Now, you see again don't get confusion. Very simple one. What they given? F mapping from n to y. You assume g mapping from ulta y to n. Okay, that is the one process. F of x is equals to 4x plus 3. You assume now. Yeah, they given. What we have to assume now? G of y. So just you do this process. F of x equal to 4x plus 3. They given. F of x is equals to y. You assume. Just you assume f of x is equals to y. This is the rough work. You don't write in exam. Rough work this one. No? X is equals to what? F inverse of y. That is taken as equation number 1. Next, this is f of x equal to what we assumed y. So y is equal to 4x plus 3. From this you write x as a subject. That means x 3 is taken right left side. Y minus 3 is equal to 4x. 4 also taken left side. Y minus 3 by 4. This is the equation number 2. From 1 and 2 both are x equals to. So f inverse of y is equals to y minus 3 by 4. So this function, this function you take as the function g. So I will get this is the g of y. Next, if y is replaced with x, g of x is equals to this one. Clear? Next, you see this for this assumption they are giving 1 mark. For the correct assumption they are giving 1 mark. Simple. Now you see g circle f of x you find. G circle f of x is equals to what I am getting? G of f of x. G of f of x. Composite function definition. So g of f of x is equals to what? 4x plus 3. That is equals to g of x is this is nothing but 1 by 4 into x minus 3 only. No. So g of x is equals to 1 by 4 into x minus 3. Now g of 4x plus 3 equal to just in place of x this also is 1. So what we are getting? 1 by 4 into in place of x what we are getting? 4x plus 3. Next this minus 3 I is understood. 1 by 4 into in place of x what is substituted 4x plus 3. Now 3 get cancelled. 1 by 4 into 4x. Here 4 get cancelled. This is equal to x. This is equal to, just you see, if f is mapping from A to B, G is mapping from B to, for example, B to C. G circle f is mapping from A to C. Means here G circle f is mapping from N to N. So this is equal to, we can write as In of x. Identity function, every image of identity function itself for A. So therefore what we got here, therefore G circle f of x is equal to In of x. From this G circle f is equal to In. This is the equation number 1. Next you find f circle G of x. F circle G of x, that is f of G of x, that is f of G of x is equal to what? 1 by 4 into x minus 3, right? F of 1 by 4 into x minus 3, this one. F of x equal to 4x plus 3. F of 1 by 4 into x minus 3 means in place of x, we are substituting 1 by 4 into x minus 3. Otherwise x minus 3 by 4. So that is 4 into x minus 3 by 4 plus 3 is there. So plus 3. Therefore 4 get cancelled. X minus 3 plus 3. 3 get cancelled. This is equal to x. So f circle G of x is equal to, this is I next to this one y. I y of x. Therefore f circle G is equal to I y. F circle G is equal to I y. This is you take as from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, f circle G circle f is equal to I n, comma f circle G is equal to I y. Therefore this is the definition of, from this what is the condition for the invertible function? G circle f is equal to I and the f circle G is equal to I. So both are equal now. So that f is invertible. Therefore f is invertible. F is invertible. What is the f inverse? F inverse is equal to G, and f inverse is equal to G. That is f inverse of x is equal to G of x. F inverse of x is equal to, what is the G of x? X minus 3 by 4. X minus 3 by 4. This is the answer. Right? How they are dividing marks, you see, for assumption for this much. For this assumption 1 mark. For doing G circle f of x is equal to In. Up to equation number 1. This is this for this one they are giving 1 mark. Next G circle f, for this they are giving 1 mark. Next for writing f is invertible function and f inverse is equal to x. For this 1 mark. For writing this answer 1 mark. Like this they are divided. Right? So this is the 5 marks question, important. I hope you understood this one. You see again 1-2 times you watch this video because this is the important topic. 5 marks definitely they are asking from. This only around we have only 6 to 7 questions. If you perfect in 6 to 7 questions, easily we can get 5 marks. Right? Now question number 24. 24th question. Let y is equals to n square such that n belongs to n, subset of n. Consider f from n to y as f of n equal to n square. Show that f is invertible. Find the inverse of f. Similar question you see. So f is given from n to y defined as f of n equal to n square. So g of n to y. So g is what we are assuming? G of a y to n, y to n. So ulta, right? And g of y is equals to what we have to assume? We are doing some rough work already. So f of n is equals to n square. F of n is equals to assume as y. Y is equal to n square. From this n is equals to what we are getting? Root y. So that one we assume root y. G of x is equals to g of n is equal. G of n is equals to what we are getting? G of n is equals to root n. Right? Just you take as root n. Just here I am finding f of g circle f of n, g circle f of n, because here they given n square, so we can writing here n. So f of g of n. So g of f of n is equals to what? N square, right? N square. G of n square. G of n is root n. G of n square is square root of n square. Square root get cancel n. N is equals to in of n. Therefore, G circle f of n is equals to in of n. So G circle f is equals to in. That is the equation number 1. Simple, same process. Next to f circle g of n. So f of g of n. F of g of n is equals to what? Root n. Now f of n equal to n square. F of root n equal to root n square. Square root get cancel. N is equals to what I am writing? G of y of n. Therefore, f circle g is equals to iy of f circle g of n is equals to iy of n. Therefore, g circle f is equals to what? Iy. From 1 and 2, f circle g is equals to what? In. G circle f is equals to iy. Therefore, f is invertible function and f inverse is equals to g. Then f inverse of n is equals to what? G of n. What is the g of n? G of n is equals to what we assume? Root n. This is the answer. Simple. Right? Next question. 24th question. Next, question number 25th. Let f is mapping from a to r be a function defined as f of x equal to 4x square plus 2x plus 15. Show that f is from n to s, where s is range of f is invertible. Find the inverse of f. This is the question. So here we are going that f circle g is equals to I and g circle f is equals to also I function we are going here. But here f of x is equals to what? 4x square plus 2x plus 15. So how we assume g of x? By writing x as a subject, we are getting some function. That function we are taking as a g of x. So how we are writing this one? X as a subject, so it is little bit difficult. So I am doing some changes. You see, 4x square is equals to what I am writing? 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into 2x whole square is 4x square. 2 into 2x, that is total 4x. Remaining plus into 3 and 10. 2 2s are 4, 4 into 3, 12x. Next to 3 square is equals to 9. That means this 15 I split as 9 and 16. Now this is equal to 2x plus 3 whole square. Otherwise we do one thing. 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into 3 plus 3 square plus 16. Not 16, only 6. Right? So this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is nothing but a plus b whole square. 2x plus 3 whole square. plus 6. Right? This is the f of x. Now let g of x or g of y. G of y is equals to what I am assuming. G is mapping from where to where? R to n. Right? R to n. Now g of y is equals to, you write this is your exercise subject. How it is possible? F of x is equals to y we are writing. That is y equal to f of x. What is the f of x? 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6. So y minus 6 is equals to 2x plus 3 whole square. 2x plus 3 is equals to square root of y minus 6. So 2x is equals to square root of y minus 6 minus 3. X is equals to square root of y minus 6 minus 3 by 2. So that is you assume as g of y. Understood? See that simplification for writing exercises object. So like this. If you write g of x, what you are getting? Square root of x minus 6 minus 3 by 2. Now what we are finding? G circle f of x, that is equals to g of f of x, right? So g of f of x, what is the f of x? 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6, that is g of, just in place of y we substitute this one, in place of y substitute this one. So that is the square root of y is there. In place of y, what we are writing here? 2x plus 3 whole square, 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6. Next here, here 2x, y in place of y we substitute 2x plus 3 whole square plus 6. Next minus 6 is there. You substitute minus 6. Now this square root function finished. Next after that minus 3 is there, by 2 is there. So minus 3 and by 2. Now 6 get cancelled. This is equals to square root of 2x plus 3 whole square minus 3 by 2. Here square root get cancelled. This is equals to 2x plus 3 minus 3 by 2. 3 get cancelled. 2x by 2 get cancelled. X is equals to, we can write as in of x into r, in of x, which is equals to g circle f of x is equals to. Now g circle f is equals to in. This is the equation. Now f circle g of y or x anyone. This is g of f of x. F of g of x. What is the g of x? This one. That means square root of y minus 6 and x minus 6. X minus 6 minus 3 by 2. Now this is f of, in place of x we have to substitute that. So 2 into x, here 2 into, in place of x we are substituting this one is x minus 6 under root minus 3 by 2. Next to plus 3 is there, plus 3 whole square. Next to this side plus 6, you write as 2 get cancelled. This is x minus 6 under root minus 3 plus 3 whole square plus 6. 3 get cancelled. This is x minus 6 under root whole square plus 6. So square root get cancelled. X minus 6 plus 6 get cancelled. X. Now f circle g of x is equal to, we can write as r by of x. F circle g is mapping from where to where? B to A. Sorry, B to B. What is the B here? N, R. N is A, R is B. So I R of x. So F circle G is equals to IR. You take as equation number. From 1 and 2, F circle G is equals to IN and G, this is IR. G circle F is equals to IN. Therefore, F is invertible. F is invertible and F inverse is equals to G. F inverse of X is equals to G of X. Therefore, F inverse of X is equals to G of X. What is the G of X? This one. So, square root of X minus 6 plus 3 minus 3. Minus 3 by 2 is the answer. So, that is the answer. You see, complete that one. Okay, that is the answer. So these three, and in exercise we have 3 problems. From 6 questions they are asking 1 for 5 marks. So you practice well these. Next to continuation 26th example. So we will see next video. Right? And this is the complete answer.